So we will have a minus 2 absolute value minus a minus 1. So we will have a minus 2 minus a plus 1. So just to cancel, and we will get minus 1 absolute value of minus 1. So we will get this. But you said that it's the answer is A?
Sí.
Why? Why? Yes, the answer is A. But what I what is wrong with this?
That A should be negative.
Okay.
So negative A.
Okay. Well, we're going to
Minus 2A. 3 minus.
well, when we have square root of 100, we usually use plus 10 and minus 10. Yes, but this is called the main root, la raíz principal. We are going to use the positive, okay? The positive value. We're going to use the absolute value. When we have something like this, okay, ¿me permites ir a abrir la puerta?
Sí.
Okay. Sorry, Sebastian. My kid is here today, and we ordered a pizza. Okay. When we have something like this, for example, if we use this, minus 5 squared. When we are solving this kind of equation, we are going to use the positive value. So if we have the square root of I minus 1 squared, if we cancel, we are going to get a negative value because A it's less than 0. Okay, so we need to use the opposite. We are going to use A minus 2 minus, and because this is negative, we are going to use the absolute value. If we have a square root and a square, we are going to use the positive value. Okay? So we will have this. This will give us a positive. Okay? So we are going to make this. And we are going to get 2a minus 3. And because a it's negative, we need to use, okay. Okay, I think that my pencil, it's broken. I can't, okay. We will get 3 minus 2a. Okay?
Okay.
Well. My pencil, it's not working. Now we're going to work with problem number 7. Do you remember what a least common multiple is?
Um. Oh, what number is the smallest number that is a multiple of both?
Okay. Yes. So we can work with problem number 7. Okay, so let's come on, multiple of
Is it there? 3 or a?
3.
See?
Oh, okay. What number?
No,
What?
a.
A.
See?
A. 3. Okay. Why?
Because um 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 because multiple of n is 180. So n and 18, the common multiple is 180. It isn't 5 because the greatest common divisor, which must be smaller than the number, is 15. So it's above 15. It isn't 20 because 20 is not divisible by 15. And it's 30 because a multiple of 30 is 180, and And it's 2 times 15.
Okay. You say that n equals 30?
Yes.
Okay.
So the sum of the digits are 3.
Let's see. The less common multiple of 13 and 18 will be, okay, it's 2 times 3 times 5 and 2 times 3 squared. Okay. The less common multiple must use factor 2, 3, and 5, but mínimo común múltiplo. We need to use the greater of the powers. Vamos a usar la potencia más grande de cada uno. 2, 3 al cuadrado y 5 a la 1. 5 por... this gives 90. Do you agree? Do you understand? Yeah. So n cannot be 30. Must be greater than that. Yes. If we use the greatest common divisor, and we use 30, and here we have 3 squared times 5. We need to use the smallest of the powers. Okay, yes, this will be 50.
Times 2.
Okay. Do you understand that if we use 30, we will get 90? Si usamos 30, el mínimo común múltiplo va a ser 90. ¿Sí? So n cannot be, and it's not 30. Must be other number. So the answer it's not A. Let's try another one. Okay, let's see.
60.
Yes, 60. We use 60. We will have 2 squared, and we will have here 2 squared. Okay. So we will get 180, and still we get 15 in this one. Okay. So the answer is B. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We are going to use some notation. We will use a vertical line to say that some number divides another one. For example, 2 divides 80. Ok, 2 divide a 8. Esta línea vertical se le divide a 2 divides 80. Okay. If we have, when we work with less common multiple, we need to factor the number. Less common multiple of n and 80. Okay. 2 times 3 squared. We are factoring this number. We'll get 180. Okay, and here it says that greatest common divisor of n and 45 equals 15. Okay, so 15 must divide n. Do you agree? 15 debe dividir a n, porque es un divisor de n. So it's important that we learn to write this. When we say that 15 divides n, we're saying that n, it's the product of 15 times something, okay? This form for writing, it's useful for saying an idea, but this form, it's important if we want to use algebra or something like that. ¿Sí? Esta forma de escribirlo nos permite indicar algo rápidamente, decir una idea rápidamente. Esta es una forma rápida de escribir, pero esta es la forma de operar. Cuando tenemos escrito algo de esta forma, lo tenemos que reescribir de esta. Do you understand this idea?
Sí.
So, we are going to work. Let's common multiple of n equals 3 times 5 times k, 2 times 3 squared, gives us 2 times 5 times 3 squared, 2 squared. Okay, we are factoring 180. 4 por 5, 20 por 9, 180. Okay, so we have here the number 3, the factor 3 squared. Okay, we have factor 5 here. Okay, but we only have here, okay, I need to buy a new pencil for my iPad. Okay, we still need 2 squared, but we only have 2. We have a 1 here, power 1 here. So we'll need that this number has the 2 squared. So this will be the value of n. 4 por 5, 20 por 3, 60. That's equals 60. Okay?
Okay.
Well, it's important to learn how to write this. Well, see? Okay. Do you have some question? Do you have some doubts?
No.
Okay. Let's work with the next one. That consists of 6 distinct positive integers. 1, 7, 5, 5, 2, 5. Next, the average. The 6 numbers for a value in the data set. What is the sum of? Okay. Do you understand this problem?
Sí.
Okay.
Hmm. What are the positive values of x?
Okay. We can have different values for x.
Uh,
For example, okay. For example, okay, we can have we need the average, the mean arithmetic. So we will have 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus x divided by 6 equals 6 positive. We need positive integers, okay? And we can have the average arithmetic mean of the 6 numbers equals a value in the data set. So we can have this equals 1, for example. And this is 5, 5, 10. Okay. I will write it again. Oh, no. Let me. It will be faster if we write again. Okay. We have 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus x divided by 6. Okay. This equals 20 plus x divided by 6. We can have this equals to, this can be equal to 1. Yes, because we need that the average, the arithmetic mean, equals some value in the data set. So this can be equal to 1 or 5 or 2 or 7. But we need that the average of 6 positive. We need that the numbers will be positive. So if one equation gives a negative number for x, we are going to discard this one. ¿Ok? ¿Sí? ¿Sí entiendes la idea?
Okay.
Vamos a tener que resolver varias ecuaciones. We will discard this one. You can see why?
Because 20 is above 6, which is 6 times 1.
Okay, yes. So we can discard this one. And this,
Because 12 is also smaller than 20.
okay, yes. So maybe this.
That's if x is 10.
Okay. So we need another.
X equals 22.
X over 6 equals 7. X is 22. Okay. We still need another one. We need to solve this one. 20 plus x over 6 equal x.
X equals 4.
And we already covered all the options, all the possibilities. So what is the sum of our positive values?
36.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I think that you can solve all those problems without much. Those are easy. Okay. Let's solve the next. Rectangle is partitioned into 5 regions as shown. Red, orange, yellow, blue, or green. Hmm. Solid color. Red, orange, yellow, blue, or green.
Do they count if I paint um one red, orange, yellow, blue, green, and then do they count that one different from if I reversed the order or mirrored it?
Yes, because this part, it's different. This part has a different shape than this one. So if you mirror them, uh, they don't look the same. So in this kind of problems, you must consider that a reflection, only if a reflection it's equal to other one. Do you understand what I mean?
See?
If I mirror this, we will get something different because
Um,
this shape is different than this shape.
If I swap two colors, would it also count as different?
Okay, for example, red, yellow, orange, blue, and green, for example. And you say that if you switch those two, yellow, red, orange, blue, and green.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, those are different because yellow, here yellow is touching green and blue. Here, yellow is touching orange and blue. Those are different um, in a different way. It's a different coloring. Es una coloración diferente, ¿sí? Aunque haya cambiado estos dos de lugar, sigan siendo los mismos colores, se ve diferente. ¿Ok? Yes? Do you understand?
Sí.
Okay. Let's see. Do you have ideas for solving this one?
No.
No? Okay. We are going to choose a color. Okay. Let's see. I need more space. Okay. In how many ways we can choose the color for this part or this?
You can choose it in 5 ways.
Okay, in 5 ways. Okay. Now, if we chose any color here, in how many ways we can choose a color for this part?
4 ways.
4. Okay. And this part touch this one and this one. In how many ways we can choose this color?
3 ways.
Only 3 ways. Okay. Okay. Let's continue.
The next color will be, there will be 2 ways.
No. For example, if I use here green, okay? And
There are 3 ways
3 ways, yes, because this must be,
because I can use the same color as the second.
okay. This color can be equal to this, but must be different to this one and this one. Okay. And then in how many ways we can choose the color for this region?
3 ways.
3 ways, because this must be different to this and this. So we will get 3. Okay. So we only need to multiply those numbers.
I have 540.
Yes, that's right. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we'll work with the next. Do you have ideas for solving this?
Sí.
Okay. Perfecto. You need some help with this?
Sí.
See? Okay. What? Tell me your ideas and I can start writing.
Using the Pythagorean theorem, for 8 and 4 times 4 times the square root of 2.
Okay. Do you use, you already have some formula?
No.
Okay. Let's see. First, we're going to see this one. Hey. Okay. This, if the card is complete, we're going to call it, give me some name for every side. For example, X, Y, A, B. What do you prefer?
X, Y.
Okay, X here and Y here. We have here a right triangle. We can use one theorem, what theorem can we use? ¿Qué teorema?
And the Pythagorean.
So what is if we use the Pythagorean theorem, what do we get?
8 squared, so 64. equals y squared plus x squared.
64. Okay. Now we are going to see this. If we need this diagonal, we will have this rectangle. Okay. What is the value of this? Daniel cuts equal squares of side 1. He cut 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, or maybe inches. I don't know. But he cut 1 and 1. Okay. So what is the measure of this one? ¿Cuál sería la medida de este lado?
X minus 2.
Huh? Yes. This is x minus 2. And what is the measure of this side?
Y minus 2.
Minus 2. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So we will have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4 times square root of 2. Do you have ideas for solving this? Do you remember how to multiply this? X minus 2 times
Sí,
x minus 2. Okay.
sí, x squared minus 4x plus 4.
Okay. Okay. I want to solve this with graspable math. The equation looks better. Okay. Branch. So we have 2 equations. Let me erase this. Okay. I don't know if we already used graspable math.
Sí.
Okay. X squared plus y squared equals 64. Okay. This is our first equation. Now we have x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 4 times square root of 2 squared. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So you already said that this is x squared minus 4 times x plus
Sí.
2 squared. Okay. Okay. You're going to simplify. It will be so. Okay. And this one?
Y squared minus 4y plus 4.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And this one?
Um, 32.
Okay. Okay. 32. Okay.
You could simplify to 8 plus x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus y.
Okay. So we will have, we can subtract this. So we will get 24. And we know that x squared plus y squared. Okay. I don't know if I can. Okay. I need to transform this line. This equals 64. Okay.
Yeah.
So what can we do now?
Subtract 64 from both sides.
Okay. Yes, we can subtract 64 on both sides. And we will get this. I prefer to, it's the same, but I prefer to get positive numbers. But it's, we will get the same result. Okay. So we can factor this one.
So sum of x plus y is 10.
Okay. So, but we need to get x. We need the area. Yes. What is the area? I don't know if I pronounce it this right. We need x times y, xy. Okay. How can we get that?
By using x squared plus y squared equals 64.
Okay. How? How we are going to use this? Yes, that is important, but sometimes we need to work a little more. Okay. Let's see this. If we can use this little trick that it's very useful. Okay. If we square this one, okay. We square this. We need to square this. Okay. What do we get here?
100 equals x squared plus 2xy plus y squared.
And we already know that x squared plus y squared, it's 64. Okay. So we can substitute here. We will get 64 plus 2 times xy.
Um, 18.
Yes.
18.
Because 100 minus 64 equals 2xy. 36 equals 2xy. So xy We divide both sides and we will get 18. Okay. So the answer is E. Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Well, it's time. It's 4 o'clock. Okay. ¿Tienes alguna pregunta de lo que hicimos hoy? ¿Hasta aquí todo va bien?
Sí.
Ok. Creo que la siguiente vez vamos a trabajar un poco más de álgebra, este tipo de ecuaciones. ¿Te parece bien?
Sí.
Ok. Bueno, pues por hoy terminamos. Que tengas una bonita tarde y nos vemos la siguiente semana. Ok.